Hi, very good afternoon, students. Last previous class, we are stopped with the levels of management in first chapter. There are three levels of management. First one is top level, second one is middle level, third one is lower level. This is more important. This is practical oriented question. Practically, we are going to draft this neat diagram. As it is, you draft this diagram. This is very important. 5 marks. 5 marks questions. Draw a neat diagram of levels of management. Like this, they are going to ask the question in examination. Levels of management. First one, top level. Second one, middle level. Third one, lower level. What do you mean by top level? Top level means in an organization, superior means highly responsible person, board of directors, BOD, board of directors, CEO, chief executive officers, MD, managing director, chairman, president. These group of persons are working in the top level management. They are going to take sound and important decisions in the organization. Next, come to the middle level. Middle level means managerial level. See, finance manager, production manager, marketing manager, human resource manager, sales managers, and so on. These peoples are comes under middle level. Next, lower level peoples means lower level management. This is also called operational level. Lower level, it is also called operational level management. Foremen, supervisors, inspectors. These peoples comes under lower level. See, top level taking important decisions and responsible for whole organizational important decisions. Middle level, managerial level. See, lower level, operational level. Activities are going to operate every day. Operational level. Operational level, foremen, supervisors, inspectors. Middle level, finance, HR, marketing, sales, managers. Top level means head. Main levels, board of directors, chief executive officer, chief finance officer, managing director, chairman, president. These peoples are top level. See, the authority will be flow from top level to low level. See, top level to low level means top level to middle level to low level. The accountability, see, lower level to middle level to top level. See, one to another interrelation. See, top level management sending orders to the middle level people's same orders sending to the lower level. The lower level accountable for middle level to top level means top level people's, middle level people's, lower level people's, all together to manage the whole organization. The whole organization classified into three broad categories. Groups, top level management groups, middle level groups, lower level groups. Three managerial groups. This is more important for 5 marks, practical oriented. As it is with the neat diagram, you need to draft as it is. You get 5 marks, very important in the first chapter, practical oriented question 1. Next, very important topic, functions of management. See, functions of management, 8 marks, important topic. See, the functions are more important to manage an organization. Functions widely accepted given by the Kuhn's O'Donnell. What are all the functions? POSDC. P for planning, O for organizing, S for staffing, D for directing, C for controlling. These 5 functions of management are more important to manage an organization with proper planning. These functions will given by the Kuhn-O'Donnell. He is a management theorist or professor. He give 5 important functions are going to perform in a management, that management become an effective management. See, firstly, the functions of management, this is more important for 8 marks. These functions, widely accepted functions, are given by Kuhn-O'Donnell, that is POSDC. Okay, let us discuss first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First one is planning. What do you mean by planning? Advanced thinking, predetermined course of action, thinking before doing. See, this is the basic and fundamental and first function of management. Basic and fundamental first function of management. For doing any work, planning is more important. It is a roadmap to see where we are today, where we want to be. See, in the 2020 we are in certain position, second place or third place. In 2021 or 22nd we want to become a first place. This is where we are now, where we want to be. With the help of planning we can easily reach our goals and objectives. This is more important function of a management. What to do, where to do, when to do, with whom to do the work, and extract the works. With the clear and proper planning we can easily do the work and achieve the goals and objectives. Planning is more important. Without planning we cannot success easily. So that reason it is the first function of management. Next come to the organizing. Organizing, the second important function of management. To organizing physical resources and financial resources and human resources together to achieve the goals and objectives. Organizational, to organizing physical as well as material resources or human resources together to achieve the goals and objectives. Second important function of management. Next come to the staffing. See, in the staffing, procurement and recruitment of human resources to the required places to fill the vacancies in the organization. For example, selection, recruitment, training, development, everything done in the staffing function of the management. That too belongs to HR, human resource. Next, fourth one is directions or directing. The supervisors or inspectors or the managers are going to give guidelines or directions, what to do, what not to do, how to perform the work, how to get good results while performing the work, and give clear on-spot guidance. If they commit any mistakes, on-spot directions given to the employees and correct way of completion of the work in on time. That is, direction is more important. This is the fourth function of a management given by the Kuhn-O'Donnell. Last final one is controlling. Control, how to control? Measurement of the results and correcting the results. That is called controlling. Measurement and correcting of the results performed by the employees, that too by the management. See, finally controlling in the controlling positive and negative deviations and zero deviation, negative deviation, positive deviation. In case of positive deviation, no need to any corrections and measurements not required. But in the negative deviation, definitely we need corrections and mistakes, corrections and measurements are required. Zero deviation, no change. See, controlling is more important to verify the performance of an employee and output of the work. We can easily know the with the help of controlling. See, these are all the 5 important functions. First one is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. 8 marks, very important. This is 5 marks, very important practical questions. In the first chapter, nature and significance of management, the last concept, that is coordination. See, cooperation is different from coordination. Coordination among the different departments. For example, production, marketing, HR, finance. Coordination different departments in the organization. Cooperation between two persons. Cooperation, one person cooperate with the another person. Cooperation is different, it is between two. Here coordination among the different departments in the organization. See, the coordination topic will be continued in the next previous class. Thank you for listening online classes. Thank you.